This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the account email or phone and any two-step devices nearby. Next, open a secure browser or the Google app and go to the Google sign-in page. This is where authentication begins. Entering from a trusted device reduces friction later, so make sure your network is stable and that you're not on an open public Wi-Fi. Once done, tap or click Sign In to display the email/phone input field. That first input kicks off the process. You'll now enter the email or phone and then the password. Type carefully and use the Show Password toggle if you need to confirm characters. After the initial credential check, Google often requests a second factor. Respond to a prompt on your phone, enter a 6-digit code, or insert a security key, because it proves it's really you and prevents account takeover. If you have multiple accounts, pick the right one first. Once verified, Google links sessions to the selected account. You finish by accepting any final prompts, review recovery info, privacy notices, and choose whether to stay signed in on this device. Make deliberate choices. Stay signed in on personal devices, use guest or private mode on shared ones. If the sign-in fails, check common issues: caps lock, incorrect keyboard layout, or outdated cache. Try a known device or use account recovery to reset your password. If you see unfamiliar activity, pause and secure the account with a password change and security review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.